You will learn how to get shareable link to the work you generated through the Google Gemini deep research features. Okay, this is what you need to do. Just be on the web page, okay, that contains your research work. All right, look at my research work here. So I want to generate public link that I will use to share to people. And for you to do that, click on share and export. Then select share. So this will generate a link for you. It's even copied automatically, but you can still click on it for it to be copied. So once it's copied like this, you can send it to somebody through email. So let me get to my Gmail. And here am I. So I will click on compose. All right. So in the to section, I will type the email address of the person I want to send it to. Okay, I want to send it to this guy, techupdates@outlook.com. So I'll click on the name for it to be added. Let's say link to the research. Click here and Control V to paste it. All right. So click on send. So once he gets to his end and he clicks on the link, he'll be able to access the content fully. Okay, let's say I want to send it to somebody's WhatsApp contact. So we can still do the same thing here. So let me minimize this window. So what I need to do is to click here because I've already installed WhatsApp desktop. I'll click here and type WhatsApp. To show up, I'll select it. So here am I. I'll click on this contact. Let's say I want to send the link to him. Control V to paste the link. I'll click on send. So from his end, he will get it. And he can click on it to view the content. All right. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and see you some other time.